Good day. On behalf of my group mates, let me introduce myself. I am Cristel Tolentino, BTBTE3 Gimba. By the end of this presentation, you'll be able to understand the curriculum evaluation, and the importance and benefits of evaluating a curriculum. First, let me discuss about the curriculum. Curriculum refers to the knowledge and skills that students are expected to learn, which includes the learning standards or learning objectives they are expected to meet. A curriculum is considered the heart of any learning institution, which means that schools or universities cannot exist without a curriculum. It is also a total learning experiences of individuals, not only in school, but society as well.
I'm Jerwin Santos, BTBT3 CRT Gimba. So, evaluation is the systematic assessment of the design, implementation, or results of an initiative for the purposes of learning for decision making. So, evaluation is a process that critically examines a program or activities given. It involves collecting and analyzing information about activities characteristics and outcomes. Its purpose is to make judgments about something that can help to improve its effectiveness and create a well-designed outcomes.
Good day everyone, I'm Keaton Holaton, BTBTE3 from CRT Gimba. One of the presenter of this study entitled Evaluating a Curriculum, Its Importance and Benefits in Curriculum Development. Curriculum Evaluation. The term curriculum evaluation has historically been used to refer to evaluation of curriculum products and to evaluation of curriculum programs within a specific field context. It means that curriculum evaluation has verifiably been utilized to refer assessment of educational program items inside explicit field settings.
Good day, I'm Stephanie J. Huliganga, BTVTE3 from Gimba Branch. Importance of evaluating a curriculum. It helps us to measure knowledge of the students and to determine the value of the quality of the students' learning and find the strength and weaknesses of the student. We need the evaluation process for monitoring and improvement of strategic changes, learning process, and also teaching skills. The importance of evaluating a curriculum to the students is to know if there are changes or improvements on the skills, knowledge, ability of the students.
Benefits of evaluating a curriculum provides understanding of the decision-making process of continuous progress of each student and also teachers to become better in the future and to help our community build good relationships. Student assessment is an important aspect of curriculum evaluation, which helps to facilitate the understanding of the impact and outcome of education programs. A fundamental measure of the success of any curriculum is the quality of the student learning. Knowing the extent to which students have achieved the outcomes specified in the curriculum is fundamental to both improving teaching and evaluating the curriculum.
Hello everybody, I'm Rachel Labanego from BTBTA3, one of the reporter. So, based on the summary of finding and following conclusion were drawn, curriculum evaluation identifies the strength and weaknesses of an existing curriculum that will act as basis of the intended plan, designs, or implementation. So for this, curriculum evaluation will identify the strengths and weaknesses of an existing curriculum. For example, give your students tasks and they will answer it. And you can see what the result is.
One of importance in evaluating a curriculum will benefit both teachers and students. It says that evaluating a curriculum will benefit to the both teachers and to the student in the future. Evaluating a curriculum provides the understanding of the decision-making process of continuous progress of each students and teachers to become better in the future. Evaluating a curriculum provides the understanding of the teachers and to the students to become a better people in the future.
These research aim to find out if the strategies and teaching styles used by the teacher align in the implementation of curriculum, determining the weakness and strength of the curriculum to make development in the needs of continuity plan in that strength. Each research is intended to learn how to approach and style of teaching. The research is conducted to solve the question and needs and how you will plan it to make your research effective.
Curriculum development play an important role in the teaching and learning process to foster the quality education in our country. Is defined as planned, purposeful, progressive, and systematic process to create a positive improvements in the educational system. Developing your curriculum is all about setting goals, strategies, and evaluation tools to ensure that everyone is on track. It provides discipline not only to the teachers but also to the secondary learning experiences to the students.
Without the process of evaluating our curriculum, we cannot assure that we are implementing the right and needed curriculum for the particular subject area. Curriculum evaluation aims to examine the impact of implemented curriculum on students for their learning achievement so that the official curriculum can be revised if necessary and to review teaching and learning process in the classroom.
It promotes quality education because it makes us realize the importance of reviewing our curriculum for the betterment of education. It tells that it advances the quality of educational training since it makes us sure to understand the significance of reviewing on our educational plan for the improvement of the educational schooling. Develop new strategies to strengthen our education. It builds up our techniques to fortify our schooling.
This study may help those who's currently studying or want to conduct a study regarding curriculum development. This study can be used as reference or guides for those teachers who wants to review about curriculum and to the students, teachers who's currently studying for their future professions as an educator. So for this, curriculum development may help teacher and student teachers to choose their future profession as a teacher or as a future educator.